Good people, what'd I tell you? Didn't I tell you there was more on the way? Well, this is part 2, building from the last lesson. So if you haven't seen the most previous one, then you need to watch that first, because we're adding to that. Okay, I mean, I can tell you what the notes are from the last video. It's not that complicated. Right, left kick. Right hand's accented. Left hand is ghost noted. Kick is played loud and proud. But the right hand has freedom to move around all of the surfaces. Well, don't do it off like the crash cymbal and the ride cymbal. You can do it off the hi-hat, but make sure the hi-hat is closed. Now, for part 2, we're just going to add 2 notes. 2 notes. Basically, we're going to start this chop over in the middle of playing this chop. So you have the right, left kick. And normally you just keep it going. Right, left kick, right, left kick, right, left kick, right, left kick. However, to make it sound even more intricate and more creative, you can actually play right, left kick like you normally would. And then your next 2 notes just be right kick. And then you start the chop over. Right, left kick, right kick. Here's a quick example. Check it out.
Drummers who are looking to improve your chops, your drum fills, your overall creative flow. We both know that social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube are some of the worst places to learn online. I mean, yeah, the information's free, but you're still left alone to figure out what to do with all that information. But I mean, hey, there are a ton of videos and they are super entertaining. I mean, so much so that they distract you from the fact that you're not actually improving as a drummer. So obviously the question is, how are we different? Well, here it is in 4 simple steps. So number 1 is clarity, which means we assign you a dedicated drum coach who's going to start you with a skill assessment so that we can get clear on what's holding you back from playing with the freedom that you want. And number 2, from there, we diagnose the constraints in your technique, and then we assign you a practice routine that takes you from where you are to your desired outcome. And this is where our concept stacking method comes in to help you overcome hurdles in your technique, but while building your drum fill and your chop vocabulary at the same time. And then number 3, we show you how to apply what you're learning to the music you play. Because I mean, what good is learning any of these chops or any of this stuff if you can't apply it to the music you play? But we don't stop there. We also show you how to experiment with every concept that you mastered. That way, you don't leave our club as a copycat of us, but you'll actually find your own voice and have your own sound. And number 4, which is probably the biggest difference maker, is that we hold you accountable and support you for 52 weeks straight. That means you'll always know what to practice, and you'll be required to show proof that you're actually practicing. And your coach is going to give you feedback every week, face-to-face on Zoom, so that you're crystal clear on what you need to do to have another successful week of practice. That's what makes us different, and that's why our club members get the results that they do. Don't believe me? Good. You shouldn't. The good news is that you don't have to take my word for it. If you click the link, you'll be taken to a page where you'll see a bunch of videos of our past and current club members telling you exactly their experience in our club. And I get it, even with me being super direct in this video, you may still feel like what I'm saying is too good to be true and it's probably a scam. But we've been teaching online since 2012 on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, our own websites. We've also been featured in Modern Drummer as guest clinicians and instructors. So we're not some fly-by-night scheme that hasn't been here for a while. So with that said, I'd love to invite you to a free Shed Camp Club demo for 2 reasons. 1, to show you what's happening on the back end so you can see what everyone else is doing. And 2, to dive deep into your unique goals, your challenges, and kind of see if we can help. And if it makes sense, we'll talk about the Shed Camp Club. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna be the first one to tell you. However, if you're ready to commit to real results, then click the link, book a free demo, and we'll get clarity on whether or not what we have is the absolute perfect fit for your unique situation. All right, we'll talk soon.
And once you have that pattern down, when you put this in your drum fill or in your creative flow, you can randomly put that in there. You don't have to play it the same way every time. You don't have to just go right, left kick, right kick over and over and over. You can keep that right, left kick part constant. Right, left kick, right, left kick, right, left kick, right, left kick. And then randomly throwing that right kick. It's kind of like when you listen to a DJ when they scratching. And the DJ's just taking that one part and repeating it over and over and over by scratching the record. So it's similar to that, but it's not exactly that. Okay, good people. I hope that you're able to see this is how you can build your flow. Like most people that are playing creative flows, soloing fluidly, this is how they're doing it. They're not thinking about some elongated pattern that they have to play like 32 notes long. No, it's a bunch of small patterns that they're putting together. All right, good people, that's it for this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.